Hey, Chris with Fullscope. I want to show you how to update the query in a loop grid. This will help change what items might be pulled in. Typically, we're going to use the loop grid when we're working with things like advanced custom fields, if we're adding in a staff directory, or in this case, the different tutorials that we filmed, such as this one right now. So in here, we can see all of them, WordPress Basics, Elementor, all of the categories are in here. We're going to show how to update that to add some differences in there depending on what your site or what the page might need. So if we jump in here into the admin section, we come here to the actual loop grid element itself. It'll take a moment to load in all the stuff. It's already going to be plugged in there, but pulling in posts, we're pulling in based on a template we've created. It's going to be 2 columns. The one we want to look at right now is this option for query. Right now, we're not pulling in any specific term or category. We're pulling in all of them. So you can see we have some that are WordPress Basics, Elementor. We do a lot of Elementor Security, WordPress Basics. They're all by default going to be sorted by the date. We can sort by date, title, a number of options. Typically, we go by date or title. Right now, they're going in the descending order, so we're going to go newest to oldest for the date. If we were to go in ascending order, it would go in the oldest to the newest. Typically, we want to show our newest stuff first, so put it back to the descending order. And the other thing we can do, which really works out great, especially when you get into different custom pages we want. If we had a custom page where all we're talking about is our Elementor guides, for example, we could come in here with terms selected for the include by, come into this search term here and start typing in Elementor, and we will see this option come up for tutorial categories Elementor. We can put that one in there. And now all we're going to see is the videos that have that category of Elementor. We can go and add in a second one as well for, say we want to talk about security as well. If we have a page where it's just talking about Elementor and the security ones, we can take that one and add that in. Now when this loads in, we'll see the Elementor videos and we'll see our security videos. So again, great way to get to take the same element and customize it on different pages to show specific information related just to that page. So great tool with the loop grid to be able to go in and add in a lot of things. If there's any feature on your website where you could use an ACF feature or the loop grid or going into custom queries like this, send us an email, info@fullscopecreative.com. We'll be happy to help with any of that.